So, this is your first day in your new home, and oh, no light. And the phone doesn't work. In Australia, most properties have existing wires and pipe outlets connecting to utilities. This includes gas, electricity, phone line, and water. Some of them may not work until you have set up an account. Before you move into a rental property, you will need to contact suppliers and arrange for the utilities to be reconnected under your name. For example, you should arrange for electricity and gas to be switched on or for your telephone account to be set up by the supplier a day before moving in. You can ask the agent for the supplier's name and contact number. Who pays for the utilities? Usually, the tenant pays for utilities if the property is separately metered. Most utilities are not included in the rent. The tenancy agreement you sign with the agent or landlord states who pays for each utility. Usually, there is a fee for reconnecting or switching on utilities, and the supplier may ask you to sign a contract. Do not sign a new contract with another utility supplier before your current contract has ended. They may charge you for ending your contract early. What about gas and electricity? Some properties have gas stoves and ovens for cooking, and gas for heating. Others use electricity. Tenants need to pay for the gas and electricity supply if the property has a separate meter. If not, you cannot be charged for the supply. Contact the Energy and Water Ombudsman, New South Wales, if you have problems with your gas and electricity bills or a dispute with the utilities provider. What about the telephone? Most properties have existing telephone outlets. Some properties may also have an internet outlet for tenants to use. Tenants are responsible for all charges relating to the supply and use of telephone and internet. This includes equipment, rental charges, and for switching on the supply under your name. What about TV? Most properties also have existing TV antennas, but tenants need to provide their own TV. If you decide to add a new service like Pay TV, make sure you get the permission from the agent or landlord before installing it. How about water? Water is different to other utilities. It is always connected. If the taps do not work, turn on the water from the meter connection. You only pay for water usage if the property has a separate water meter. Usually, houses have separate water meters. But units are different. Most unit blocks have shared meters. The landlord pays for the water when there are no separate meters. If you have a separate meter, the agent must send you a copy of the water bill showing your water usage. The agent or landlords must give you a copy of the bill within 3 months and give you at least 21 days to pay it. They also must arrange for water-efficient connections, such as water-saving shower heads, and fix any leaking taps to save water and money. If any utility is broken, contact your agent or landlord right away to fix it. For example, if a water pipe bursts, you need to notify the agent or landlord straight away. These type of repairs are urgent repairs under the tenancy laws and must be fixed quickly. If you cannot contact the landlord or agent, or if they don't fix the problem in a reasonable time, you can arrange for a qualified tradesperson to fix the problem and pay for it yourself. You can get your money back from the landlord within 14 days. If the job is less than $1,000, you did not cause the damage, you give the landlord or agent a reasonable opportunity to fix the problem. You have a receipt and written report of the problem from a qualified tradesperson. If you can't afford to pay for the repairs yourself, you can apply to the Consumer Trader and Tenancy Tribunal, CTTT, and order for the landlord to fix the problem. For more information on tenant rights and responsibilities, visit the New South Wales Fair Trading website on www.fairtrading.nsw.gov.au or phone 13 32 20. If you need language assistance, ring 13 14 50.